Wilujeng santun para pecinta musik.
Abdi Kayana,
Abdi Nabila nu janten host wengi ayeuna. Abdi bungah pisan janten bagian dina Grammy Awards 2026.
wengi ieu urang bakal nyaksian pagelaran anu luar biasa ti sababaraha musisi bangsana di dunia.
Mangga wilujeng samping pagelaran khusus di Cat's Eye, Sabrina Carpenter, sareng The Marias.
They could describe everything with one single word. You know, like boba tea, robotics, fried chicken, party in the Hollywood Hills. This song, oh my god, the new beat. Oh my god, is this real?
Oh, we in a session tonight, gang gang. Oh, we going out tonight, gang gang. Oh my god, this song is so lit. Congratulations.
You said your phone was broken, forgot to charge it. Whole outfit you're wearing, I hope it's ironic. Did you just say you're finished? Didn't know we started. It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Sing it to me! Stupid! Last memory. No one noticed. No one noticed. It's getting old.
Wah, bagus pisan penampilanna.
Ayeuna hayu urang teraskeun kana acara utama.
Pemenang kahiji kategori album vokal pop tradisional bangsana wengi ayeuna nyaeta Laufey sareng albumna A Matter of Time.
This is such an honor. Thank you so much. I want to start out by thanking my fans, whom I forgot to thank in my last Grammy speech. I love you so much. Thank you to the Academy. Thank you to my mama and my pape, my twin sister Yonia, and my team. I want to also say a huge thank you to all the music educators out there, all the arts educators. I owe everything to my music education, to my arts education. We cannot cut arts fund.
Salajengna pikeun artis nyair pangasena nyaeta Olivia Dean. Wilujeng ka sadayana para juara.
Thank you. Ooh. Thank you.
Jesus Christ, I never really imagined that I would be up here, let alone nominated, so thank you so much. I just want to say that an artist is really nothing without their team. Emily, my best friend, my manager, we've been doing this for 10 years. So this is for you too, and my family, and I guess I want to say I'm up here as a granddaughter of an immigrant. I wouldn't be here. I'm a product of bravery, and I think those people deserve to be celebrated.
Wah, urang parantos dugi ke akhir acara.
Iya, urang atos. Hatur nuhun ka sadaya pamirsa sareng seniman anu hadir. Abdi Nabila,
Abdi Kayana,
kami bade pamit. Hatur nuhun ka sadayana. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi